I'm student of Paragon again. I'm studying at 2 month course of advanced level. Today my present topic is consistency. So let me tell you that consistency is the key of success. It's the key to success. So I'll tell you a story of Pablo Picasso. So once there was Pablo Picasso. He was walking in a market. So he happened to meet with a lady, and lady approached her and said that I know you very well. You are a great paintist. You are world renowned painter. And so the she asked the Pablo Picasso to make her a painting. So the Pablo Picasso asked the lady to bring a pencil and a paper. So immediately in 30 seconds he made a beautiful painting and said to the lady that it costs 30 lakh rupees. So the lady went to the shops and markets and inquired about the painting, and it really cost 30 lakh rupees. So again she came back and said that the painting you gave me, it cost is 30 lakh rupees. So when the lady asked the what's the secret of your success, how did you make a painting, great painting of 30 lakh rupees in just 30 seconds? So the Pablo Picasso said to the lady that you are only seeing the result, but not my hard working. So he told his story to the lady that for making this painting, I spent 30 years, and today I can make this painting in just 30 seconds. So this is the power of consistency.